welcome to Faraday's Juniors channel. And today we are going to have a discussion on digital signals in image processing. And the topic for today is what? Discrete Fourier Transform function, which is the same as what the DFT. Okay, in DFT, well, this is the general formula for the DFT, which is what? Y of k, a sampling from what? A certain n to what? N minus 1. And then this n can also be the same as what? A small n. And then we have the Windows formula here, which of course, okay. And then the window, this particular window, W we see around us here is the same as what? W from a capital N to small n. And if this one is a 4-point DFT, then it means that n is equal to 4. And then this small n starts from what? 0 to what? The last number. And we know that if it's 4 points, it has to start from 0 to where? 3. Which of course, if you add all these numbers, this is equal to what? 4. Okay. Now, so we are starting. We want to know how to calculate for the windows individually, starting from the value of what? 0 to 3. So let's assume if you want to calculate for W of what? 0, 4. I'm doing this because after I'm done, you just need to memorize these parameters and you'll be able to do it fast. Okay. So we are starting from 0. Okay, when n is equal to 0, what will be the parameter? It means that we have EF is of what? J 2 pi multiplying 1. N is the same as 1, 0, all divided by 1, capital N. And we know that the capital N is the same as 4, since it's a 4-point DFT. So this will now be equal to, so because 0 is here, all this will be equal to 0. E exponent 0 will give us what? 1. So we move on to what? W of what? 4, which of course is the same as what? E exponent minus J 2 pi on what? 1, right? All divided by capital N, which is 4-point DFT. Now we need this one will give us the same as what? 2 pi, which is 2 on 4 will give us half. So half of what? Pi j. This is negative. Now we know the general formula is the same as what? Cos theta plus what? J sin theta. You need now algebra height. If you have a function like this, it means that half of pi will give us what? 90. So we have here to be cos 90. Because this one is negative, you can put this one j minus j sin what? 90, right? So we have cos 90 to give us 0, sin 90 to give us what? Minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 times sin 90 will give us what? 1. Sin 90 will give us 1. So the result will give us minus 1, j. So we have the window of 1 and 4 will give us what? Minus j. So we just want to know how it was what? Being derived. Okay. So the next thing that we are going to do is to find what? W of what? 2, 4, right? So W of 2, 4 will be the same as what? E exponent what? Minus J 2 pi on what? 2. All divided by 4. So 2 times 2 give us 4 on this one. So this one give us E exponent minus what? Pi, right? Pi J. So and we know the general formula, so cos what? 180, right? Plus minus, J sin what? 180. Can you do this one for me? Cos 180 will give us minus 1. So we'll get minus 1. And then, so this one will give us 0, right? So W of 2, 4 is the same as what? Minus 1. Now we move on to W of what? 3, 4, which is the final one. It will give us E exponent J. So we have minus J 2 pi, and then we have here to be what? 3, all divided by 4. So this one will give us 3 on 2. So E exponent minus J 3 on 2 what? Pi. Okay, which is 270, right? So we have cos what? 270 minus J sin what? 270. Can you check cos 270 for me? Cos 270 0, and then sin 270 minus 1. So minus 1 times minus J. That will give us what? Positive J. Okay, so that's why we have W of 3, 4 to be equal to what? J. So I just wanted to take you through how to be able to find for the windows. Once you know how to find the windows, you are done, because it becomes more easier. And therefore, even in your exams, you don't need to know how to find all these windows. You could just get it by memorizing this, knowing that 0, 4 is the same as 1, 1 4 is the same as minus j, and then 2 4 is the same as minus 1, and finally 3 4 is the same as what? Question under the DFT. And then this is a 4-point DFT. That is why it starts from 0 to 3, right? So we have the capital N and a small n. And I said a small capital N always shows that one is a particular point DFT we are solving. So we need to just get a general formula, and after that we just substitute and finish fast. So we are starting from 1 0. So it means that what we have x of what 0, right? Then we have w of what 0 what 4, and then finally we have here to be what k plus what. So s of 1, very good. So we are moving to s of 1, and then we have what w of what 1 to 4 k, right? And we have s of what s of 2 here. And then we have w of what 2 to 4 and k. And then finally we have x of what 3. Then we have what w 3 to 4, and then we have the value of k on top. So these are general formula. Once we get this, makes it more easier and simple, right? So let's say we want to calculate that k at what? K is equal to 0. What will be the result? So let's say we want to calculate k of what? 0. So that will give us what? X of 0. You know x of 0 is the same as what? 2. And then we have w of 4, which is what? 1. So you just need to memorize this. And then we have the value of k. And we know that k is equal to what? 0. So we have x of 1 is the same as what? 3, right? And we have w of 1 4 is what? Minus j. And then finally we have k. What is the value of k? 1 plus x of 2 is what? So we are calculating the value of k. We know that k is at 0. We are doing for all. So here we give us what? 0. And we have x of 2 is what? Minus 1. We have minus 1. And then we have what? W of 2 4 is what? Minus 1. To the power what? 0. Very good. Plus what? S of 3 is what? 1. And then we have what? W of what? 3 4. Which is what? J. And then finally we have the value of k to be equal to what? 0. So it means that y of 0 will give us a certain value. Any number exponent 0 will give us what? 1. So we have here to be 2 plus 3 minus 1, and then we have what? Plus 1. So this one will give us a total value of what? 5. So it means that what? Y of 0 has given us a value of what? 5. Okay. So what we do next is to calculate what? For the value of what? Y of what? 1. We are done with 0. We move on to y of 1, and we get to the end. Okay. Okay, so let's do that for now. So we are moving on to y of what? 1. So we have s of 0 is the same as what? 2. And then we have what? W of 0 4 is the same as what? 1. And then we have the value of k equal to 1. And then x of 1 is the same as what? 3. Then we have w of 1 4, which is the same as minus g. And we know the value of k is the same as what? 1. Plus x of 2 is what? Minus 1. We have w of 2 4, which is the same as minus 1. And then we have the value of k being equal to 1. S of 3 is the same as 1. And then we have w of 3 4, which is what? J, right? And then finally we have this one to be 1, right? So it means that y of 1 will be equal to 2 minus 3j, right? And then plus 1 plus j, right? So j plus j will give us minus j, right? So we have minus 2j plus what? Plus 3, right? Plus 3. So it means that y of what? 1 has given us minus 2j plus what? 3. Okay. So now let's proceed to the next. So I want to calculate for y of 2, right? I'm down for y of 1. And then finally I'll move on to y of 3, and that will be all. So we have y of what? 2, right? And we know that y of 2 will give us. So s of 0 will give us what? 2. And then we have w of 0 4 equals what? 1. We are just repeating what we had. Then this one will now move to what? 2. S of 1 will give us 3. And then w of 1 4 give us what? minus j, and then k will give us what? Then we have s of 2 was what? Minus 1. And then w of 2, 4 was what? Minus 1. And then this one give us 2. We have x of 3. We know that s of 3 is the same as what? 1. Right? And then we have w of 3, 4, which is what? J. And then finally the value of k is what? 2. So let's try and do that. So it means that our y of 2 will now be equal to 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. This one times this will give us what? J squared is the same as what? Minus 1. So 3 times minus 1 will give us what? Minus 3. Right? So we have minus 1 squared, which is 1. And this one will give us minus 1. And then we have j squared. J squared is also the same as what? Minus 1. So we have minus 1 will give us what? So minus, we had what? Minus 3. So we have minus 3 for y of 2. So finally we move on to y of 1. So let me just clean and then do for y of 3. Okay. So finally we have y of 3. Okay. So this is y of 3. So s of 0 was what? 2. And then 0, 4 was what? 1. And then we know the value of k is what? 3, right? So we have x of 1, right? Which is 3. And then we have w of 1, 4 give us what? Minus j. And then the value of k is the same as what? 3. S of 2 is what? Minus 1. And then we know that the value of 2, 4 is what? Minus 1. And then k is 3. And then finally s of 3 was what? 1. And then we have w of 3, 4 give us j. And then the value of k is what? 3, right? Okay. So it means that y of 3 will now be equal to what? 2. So we have 1 square give us what? 1 cube is 1. Okay, so 2. And then this one will be what? Minus j cube. That will give us what? Positive j. So that will give us 3j. And then we have this one to be minus 1 times minus 1. That will give us what? Plus 1. And then we have j cube is what? J, right? Minus j. Okay. So we have 2j plus 1, 3. So it means that, so this is our final result.